How do you draw a symbol for ambition? Ambition for me always is climbing a mountain or going up a mountain, which is a challenge, but it's a challenge you can see. So you can see the top, which is the end goal, and that's the ambition. And of course it's a big mountain, so there are some clouds, and every ambition has its own way, strategy, path, how you call it. So this is the path for my ambition, which is of course not straight up, but a path to it. And then you can add some extra colors if you want. You can also color the clouds or the background. This is how I draw ambition. Pretty simple.